Hey guys, this is JNM with a new Blender character rigging tutorial. In the last one we created an IK rig for the legs. Now I imported my low poly character mesh so that we have a reference to complete the rig for the character. So here's the rig in pose mode, and you can use the IK target bone to pose the leg. Okay, but now let's select the rig and switch to edit mode, and then I will extrude the spine, the chest and the bone for the neck by pressing E and then Z to constrain to the Z axis. And as you can see, I enabled X-ray for the armature so that we can see the bones through the mesh. And then I go ahead and adjust the positions of the spine bones along the Y-axis. Okay, that looks good. And finally I extrude a large bone for the head. After that I give my bones proper names, for example spine, chest, neck and so on. Alright, now it's time to extrude a bone for the left shoulder. Just press the E key to extrude it. But I disable the connected property of this bone, because then I can select the head of the bone and move it to a position like here. I think this position is a bit more natural for the shoulder bone. I set the name to shoulder.L because it's the left side, and I will keep this naming convention for all the bones that I extrude now, because later on we will mirror the left side to the right side, and the symmetrize function that we are going to use will let the name of the mirrored bones on the right side end with .R. Okay, now I extrude the left arm and the hands. This is nothing special, so I will speed up the video a bit, and I'm always going to add the .L extension to the name of each bone. Okay, that's it. The left side is completed. Now I'm going to select all these bones here on the left side. Then I set the pivot point to the 3D cursor and the 3D cursor to the center. That's important before you symmetrize. To set the 3D cursor to the center, just press Shift and C. And then in edit mode, go to Armature, Symmetrize. And look at this, now we have the arm on the right side of the character as well. And the name of each bone ends with .R. A nice feature. The last thing that we have to do to fully rig the character now is to select it in object mode, then hold Shift and select the armature, press Ctrl and P and choose with automatic weights. Now we can pose the character, the legs with inverse kinematics and the arms with the default forward kinematics. In the next tutorial I will add IK for the arms as well and some other improvements for the character's rig. When it is finished I will upload the character to my Patreon and you can get it from there for free. By the way, if you want to support me, please think about being my patron, because this would really help this channel grow. Thanks for this. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions please add them to the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one.